I find a raspberry. Woo! Oh, it's full. Wow. See this one? It's really cool, this one. Look at this, man. Woo! So, what's up, Gades family? So, welcome to my channel, welcome to my first video. So I'm really excited about these videos because in these videos I'm gonna challenge myself. I have a mission to do 1 day solo survival without any food, without any water. So I'm gonna go into the rainforest. I just bring a simple equipment. So this is my bag. I bring a knife, this one. Maybe I'm gonna looking for food later in the jungle. So I really need knife. And the things that I bring in my bag is it's a pan. So I will use it to boil the water later or cook something. I will make a fire in the jungle. So and then I have a water case for GoPro in case it's raining or something happen. Yeah, maybe I'm going to the waterfall and I'm going to do it for swim in the waterfall. So let's see. Have a big camera. This one is a Nikon D7000. So maybe I will capture good things, maybe animal or anything else, so you can see later. Yeah. Again, I have a power bank. This is a camera equipment. All of these. Batteries, and that's all I had today for this mission. Okay, so just follow these videos until finish, because in this video I'm gonna share to you about how to survive in the jungle, how to looking food, how looking for water, clean water in the jungle. So just check it out. It's just the beginning. Okay, so I'm sweaty right now. Feel tired. Okay, and see this fruit. Maybe most of the people know about this. This one is a coffee, Arabica coffee. So like we used to drink the coffee. We used to know like coffee, the dry one, but this one is the fruit. Like you can take this one, you can make it as a candy. So if you feel tired during your walk, during your hike, so you can take this one as a candy. See this one? I take a 2. You take the red one. Very good. So I got this one. The way to eat this one, you have to open the skin first. Look at this. Very good. You got this. Okay, this one is the fruit, so you can suck it like candy, this one. It's very sweet. If you feel tired when you walk, it's very good, this one. So I was taking a couple more coffee, so I just keep it for later. Maybe I need it when I feel tired. I got. So let's go. Okay, so 30 minutes walking already, so yeah, it's tiring enough, but I'm just still on the mission, looking for food, looking for water, for survive. Yeah, so I will show you something that's just very crazy. Yeah, look at this. I found a raspberry. Woo! Oh, it's full. Oh my god. Okay, I found another one. I found this one here. Where's that? Oh, it's fun. Woo! I got this one. So this one is really cool. Yeah, so I can eat this one directly because it's a fruit. Yeah. Woo! The taste is really nice because the taste is mixed together between sour and sweet. It's really cool. Maybe I will take a couple more later for my lunch. Yeah. Really cool. Look at this. This is a mushroom. Cool. So you see this one? It's a mushroom. It's a white one. This one like is growing in the tree. I'm gonna show you the technique. Like this one is a eatable mushroom or not. So you just take this one and put in your skin and waiting for the reaction. Okay, I think it's fine. It's nothing. It's good. Like now you can take another more and you can try to eat it a little bit. The taste is doesn't weird. The smell is doesn't weird. Smell like normal mushroom. It's cool, yeah. And maybe I'm gonna waiting the reaction for 5 minutes and let's see what is gonna happen. But I'm sure this one is an eatable mushroom, but I just show you the technique. If you find something like food you didn't know that plantation is eatable or no, you just use the technique. You just put in your skin and try to put in your tongue. It's no reaction. So eatable mushroom. It's cool then. So we're gonna take all of them and we're gonna cook later. But I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. If this one there reaction from my body, so I'll just throw it away. But if no, you just like later I will cook it. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Whew. It's all the way up here. So this is what I got. Just like a lot of mushroom. This one I found out mushroom, so it's enough for myself. And this one is a fruit, like the fruit that we get, the raspberry. Oh. In this situation, I really need one. Tiring, even in the rainforest, because we go uphill, so it's very hot. It's quite hot, so it's quite sweaty. Yeah, so this one is cool. Woo! Wow. but I really enjoy this journey. So just like we can see a lot of things, a lot of plantation, a lot of fruit that we can eat. So I really love it. But yeah, still have few hours we have to go. Like we need to finish it until this afternoon, because in the top there we have to make a fire. We cook this one. Now we got a mushroom already, so we need a fire. We need to start the fire, so we need woods to start the fire. So we're gonna take this one, because later I'm worried in the place that we gonna start the fire doesn't have any wood. So we're gonna get it here. Woo! We need the big one, because it's going to be like the main woods. But later we're gonna looking for the small one, the baby one, to make easier to start the fire. So we need this one. Yeah. Good. Get two. Get mushroom. Let's start to have a lunch. Good. Let's go. Woo! Whoa, look at this leech. It's crazy. It's taking my blood. Look at this. I told you, when it's full of blood, it's gonna fall itself. Woo. Ow. It's very difficult. Too slimy. Look at that. Oh, stuck in my finger again. Put it back to the nature. Wow. Look at the blood. It's always come out. So the leech leave the bacteria on my skin, so the blood is coming out. It's very common for me when we going to the rainforest to find leech, like a few animals, like a leech. That one, it's take my blood. It's very common, so you have to use to it. Yeah. We're scared of that kind of animal. Don't try to go to the jungle. Don't try to go to the middle forest. Hey God. I'm set up the woods already here, so I'm gonna put like the fence like in the top here later, so it will be going like that. But I need to make a fire first, because it's a bit wet. I think it takes time to make the fire. Yeah, so I hope I'm lucky so I can make it fire. So all the things that we're gonna cook for today is this one is the mushroom that I found it before. Yeah, it's a different kind of mushroom, but it's an eatable mushroom. and the white one before. Yeah. Okay, so the mushroom is boiling already. Look at this. Wow, it's cool. It looks like a meat, but this one, the black one, is the taste is like meat, exactly like the skin of the pork. You see this one? It's really cool. This one. It's good. You're just waiting for a few minutes and it will be ready. So this one is a fern. Look at the stick. So you know what you think, guys. So we're gonna use this stick for eating the mushroom. Oh, I cannot cut it by hand. Just do it by knife. Take another one. Yeah. So you see this one? So you're gonna use this stick to eat the mushroom. And yeah, it's a nice place to get a rest after all the walking to the hills here. It's a cool. So now it's the time for me to eat the lunch because I'm going to be starving already. Just like I don't have any breakfast yet, and this is my breakfast and my lunch. You see, yeah? So I'm gonna try one with this fern stick. It's a fern, I take it from the nature also. Look at this, man. Woo! It's massive, huh? So I will try the black one. This one is the nicer one than the white one. The black one is, the taste is exactly like meat. Look at this. Woo! It's cool, huh? I'm gonna try it. Woo! It's nice, huh? With a nice lunch, with a swimming pool here, with a waterfall, in the middle of jungle, in the middle of nowhere. So, how fantastic it is, huh? Woo! I really like it. Smoke, so I got these berries. It's a good. I can get the sour of the taste of the sour and sweet mixed together.
here. But I have a rest of the mushroom like this. I'm gonna take it home. I'm gonna cook it at home. Yeah, just this one. Almost finished. Woo! And after this, I'm gonna going to swim again, shower again, and after that we pack my stuff and we're gonna see what we can see later, what we can get also later. So on the way to go back, because now at 3 already, 3 p.m. already. So maybe we arrive at home at 6 I think, because it's take about 3 hours walking down to the lower area, just like that. Yeah, I'll just finish, take a swim, packing the stuff and go. There you go, ciao.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm really satisfied about this trip for this mission today, because I done it very well. From start, walking to the jungle, walking to the looking for food, looking for fruit, looking for water, and cooking in the jungle and swimming in the waterfall. So it's kind of really best experience for me. So if you like, guys, like the videos, don't forget to put the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friends.